Man, I got a good one for you tonight. We're gonna do some cheesesteak tacos, and they're gonna be out of this world. Simple, easy, you can do it on a weeknight, no problem. A go-to meal for the Blackstone or any griddle. Flavor's gonna be out of this world. Let's get started. Give you a little tip, put your ribeye steaks in your freezer about an hour or so before you want to slice them up. It'll give them some firmness and allow you to slice them up in thinner pieces and a lot easier. We're gonna go ahead and dice up some bell peppers and onions because I think a cheesesteak has to have both peppers and onions. We're gonna keep it colorful. We're gonna go with red and yellow. Take my advice, make sure you shred your own cheese. When you buy prepackaged shredded cheese, there's a lot of preservatives all over it. You want the best texture, you want the best flavor, make sure you shred your own. Beautiful, beautiful ribeyes. I'm gonna go ahead and slice these ribeyes up, and I'm gonna try to get them as thin as I can possibly get them. We're gonna go with a little Blackstone cheesesteak seasoning. Also gonna spray them with some canola oil. That'll help make sure we get a nice sear on the outside. Now we're gonna fire up the Blackstone to medium-high heat. Gonna put some oil down, and we're gonna go ahead and fry these peppers and onions. Just gonna cook them for about 4 or 5 minutes until they get translucent. I'm gonna hit them with some Worcestershire sauce, a little butter, Once I get some color on them, I'm going to go ahead and pull them in a bowl, and bring them back and use them later. Going on with a little more oil and a little butter. And here comes the star of the show. Transitioning up to high heat so I can try to get a sear on these pieces. Color is flavor, and that's what we're looking for. I hit it with a little Worcestershire sauce. Turn the heat down to low. Put a little butter on the cooktop. Now let's put some color on these tortillas. Our cheese on top of those tortillas. Topped with some fried peppers and onions. We're going to fold them and hold them just a second to let them stiffen into that position. And now we're going to have just the perfect crunch on these tortillas. My favorite part of this channel, trying all the food, time to eat. The crunch. If you don't toast your tortillas like that on the Blackstone or your griddle, I can't tell you how much you're missing as far as flavor goes. That texture, that crunch, that flavor. That's what a cheesesteak taco should taste like, guys, I'm telling you. Woo! Basic, it's simple, but it's easy and quick. These cheesesteak tacos, out of this world. Make sure you give this a shot.